We really believe there is a brand new approach to teaching that the Lord wants to give you. I think that we even want to challenge you here at the start of this to not tack this on to your normal approach to teaching, but allow this to be something totally new. Allow the Lord to come and speak a fresh word to you and really upgrade your view of what education can be, what is available to you in God, and how the Lord can partner with you in your classroom. You know, if we can get this right, in the essence of who we are, if we can start to believe that education is a calling, not just a career, it will open up a brand new space of possibilities in our heart and mind. Because if I believe that it's not on me, this wasn't just a choice, but this is a calling that God has wired me to do, He is the one who is sending me, then we start to expect Him to be the one who's supplying everything that we need. If God is sending you, then He's going to give you everything that you need in order to be successful. This is about us keeping guard and that internal mindset and dialogue, really you changing the narrative inside yourself that, you know what, there is more for me. And I'm going to stop aligning to culture and I'm going to start aligning to kingdom and letting that partnership rule and reign inside of me.